Prepare to have your reality completely shattered. That vibrant citrus sphere sitting in your kitchen is an unnatural illusion. Born in ancient Chinese gardens, the sweet orange is a masterful collision between a hefty pomelo and a delicate mandarin. Yet here is the ultimate paradox. In scorching tropical climates, fully ripe oranges stay vibrantly green. Yes, the radiant color actually took its distinct name from this astonishing fruit, not the reverse. Let us peel back these bizarre ancestral citrus layers. Deep within a shaded Brazilian monastery in the year 1820, a botanical freak of nature was born. A striking, spontaneous mutation spawned a single citrus tree bearing seedless fruit with a terrifyingly delicious secret. Every single navel orange you have ever eaten is an exact living genetic clone of that one ancient mutant. That iconic belly button on the bottom, it is not just a quirky dimple. It is a microscopic, silent, conjoined twin fruit growing trapped inside the flesh. Because these mutant masterpieces are entirely seedless, humanity must artificially resurrect them through meticulous biological grafting, creating a vast, unstoppable clone army spanning the globe. But this biological immortality comes with a dark, bitter flaw. Hidden within the spongy white pith lies a volatile chemical cocktail that rapidly sours when juiced. So if this worldwide clone army cannot be juiced, who exactly rules the booming liquid citrus empire today? Imagine wild coastal winds battering early Sicily. As autumn twilight falls, temperatures absolutely plummet. Yet the ingenious blood orange refuses to freeze. Legendary varieties like the Moro, Tarocco, and Sanguinello survive this bitter Mediterranean chill using a stunning biological trick. They deploy a vibrant natural antifreeze. As freezing nights shock the orchards, these fruits pump out massive amounts of chrysanthemum. This potent, deeply pigmented antioxidant literally paints their flesh a striking, brilliant crimson. It is raw survival transformed into pure culinary luxury. This frosty defense mechanism unleashes fierce, volatile compounds, specifically myrcene, injecting the orange with an electrifying raspy flavor resembling dark, crushed raspberries. You are tasting a spectacular battle against nature in every single bite. But while the blood orange relies on this brutal chill to forge its magnificent ruby armor, other ancient citrus titans crave unrelenting, scorching heat. What happens when we completely abandon the cold for sunshine? But across the ocean lies the Valencia orange's dark, twisted twin, the legendary Seville. If the Valencia is a sun-drenched Californian dream, the Seville is an unapologetic culinary weapon. Bite deep into its rugged flesh and your mouth instantly and sharply recoils. It is overwhelmingly, intensely bitter. You see, this ancient fruit is flooded with hardcore defensive flavonoids like neohesperidin and naringin. It is basically inedible raw. Yet, this severe bitterness holds a brilliant, hidden superpower. The Seville's fiercely dimpled skin is packed with astronomical levels of natural pectin. When subjected to intense boiling heat, it magically transforms into the thickest, most dazzlingly vivid marmalade on earth, requiring absolutely zero artificial thickeners. It is a striking masterpiece of chemical evolution. While the Seville utterly dominates the copper boiling pots, another branch of the citrus family offers a completely different, much sweeter experience. Pop a tiny lunchbox mandarin, and you instantly teleport back to childhood holidays. That deep psychological comfort, it is a botanical accident. In 1902, Algeria, Father Clément Rodier stumbled upon a spontaneous citrus cross that would conquer the world, the Clementine. This pint-sized powerhouse is bred for profoundly low acidity and explosive sweetness. But its true magic lies in volatile esters like diesel acetate. Pierce that vibrant rind, and a room-filling, intoxicating aroma instantly releases. Notice how effortlessly the peel slides off? That famous zipper skin trait is an evolutionary ghost. Inherited from its ancient, pure Mandarin ancestors, it entirely lacks the stubborn, glue-like albedo adhesion that frustrates us with standard sweet oranges. Instead, it unwraps like a perfect, sun-kissed gift. Yet, as easy as these little gems are to peel, unlocking the darkest secrets of the citrus family requires slicing into something far more ancient. Look closely at the pomelo, but before you enjoy your next juicy slice, realize the everyday orange faces a terrifying, impending apocalypse. An invisible, ruthless killer known as citrus greening disease is sweeping the globe. Carried by the tiny villainous Asian citrus psyllid, this devastating bacteria aggressively chokes the delicate vascular veins of the tree. The heartbreaking result? Trees produce harshly sour, underdeveloped fruit before the tree eventually collapses from the infection. Entire legendary agricultural empires are crumbling. Yet, hope shines in a fiercely brilliant scientific counterattack. Innovative researchers are utilizing powerful CRISPR technology, carefully splicing resilient defensin genes from ordinary spinach directly into commercial orange DNA. Will this astonishing genetic armor save our ultimate breakfast icon? Stick around as we explore engineered superfoods right next.